When opportunity knocks.
Got my little survival kit. So basically the 1K clear, tape, a little sandpaper. So I'm gonna try to fix that deck lid. You know what I mean? So I could finally get this thing done. I should be able to start your car process and see something beautiful like that. That thing, look at that thing, it's gorgeous. It's nice, man. I'm trying to get my shit to that. But part 2 of what I'm gonna call, this is my series, is called Buggy Guts. Basically, it's me and my uncle. We're doing my project. We're doing the project. You know, basically trying to do the dash, paint the dash, and put in the carpet. I might turn it into 2 videos because both of them look like a headache and a half. But you know, I'm gonna punch in and punch out and show y'all, you know, the progress and the steps we made or whatever. If we mess up, I'll punch in there too. So I'm seeing that I already made mistakes because as he pulling tape, I'm getting some of the paint coming off of it. So maybe I should have scuffed it before I shot the paint. But you know,
no, it's just it's nice and short, man. That's all.
No, see right here where the tape was on. So it's pulling tape. It's pulling paint. So I should have scuffed the paint before I shot the paint. I mean, shot it. Like with a Scotch-Brite or a little soft little piece of sandpaper, just give it a little, let it, you know, give it something to stick on to. What you think?
You still can.
Oh, I'm still doing. I'm gonna do it now anyway.
Still can.
Yeah, just give it a little scuffing so to get some fluffing. Yeah, see that? Do it again. Show him. See, let me show y'all what I did wrong. Look, and he gonna put a look. This is an old used piece of tape. Watch this. I was all painted, right? Watch this. Yep, missing piece. So see, missing the spot. Now I know. And hopefully I'll do better this time. And let me get out his seat because he said he needs this seat to do his cutting. All right, I punch in. Like I know I'm different from other people because I see this and I think it's great. Unc saw it, want to touch it and fuck around and tell me. I was like, no, this shit cool. Like I'm gonna be driving this motherfucker. Ain't nobody else finna drive it. It ain't for sale. Shit, that look good to me. Good enough. I ain't trying to listen. This is not a Lamborghini Murcielago. This is not a Ferrari 488 Spider. This motherfucker is a Volkswagen Bug. Average person would have saw this car years ago and threw this motherfucker in the trash as soon as the start up one day. So this car is not in a landfill somewhere. It's not torn apart in pieces. So thank me. Judge me if you want. I don't care. It don't matter. I get to drive it. You don't have to drive it. You have opinions on how I should have did it, find you one and build you one. That's how the motto should be. If you don't think you like the way I did my car and what I paid for my money that I work for, you should go find you a car, just like I did, and build it. The way you asked for, the way you wanted to. Don't tell me what, oh, you should put, I don't want that. If I would have wanted it, I would have had it. You should build, shut up. You did not give me a dime on this car. You did not give me one penny. You didn't get up and go to work every day, pick up feces, and deal with all the stuff that I had to deal with for this car. So at the same time, your opinion means as much to me as that feces I had to get rid of. I got rid of you, and now I don't have to deal with you. So that's how your opinion works. So you don't like it? Fine.
Take the seat out.
Seats? Okay, I'm about to take the seats out. Yeah. I had to have my little rant because I get tired of, I be hearing people always try to give me suggestions. Why don't you build it yourself? Nigga, I ain't got no tools. Why don't you do, shut up. You don't like the way I do it, don't like it. Your opinion don't matter. Until you do what I do, shut up. Thank you. American Bulldog. See, my uncle, he's not a regular nigga like me. He's not like me. He's a very meticulous and mathematical person. See me, I just eyeball that. I'd eyeballed that, like I eyeballed a few other things I can't talk about. I'd eyeballed it, cooked it. I'm talking about something else. I'd eyeballed it, and just you know, got to cutting it with the blade. Yeah, I put the same principle with the razor blade, but I would have did what he did. I wouldn't have measured it. I wouldn't have put out a scale. I mean, Forgive me. I'm a different person now. I am a classy individual. I'm a classy man. Go to church every other Easter. So padding over the mat so you can see. Yeah. So he's putting it. You see how he's putting the padding over the mat now. So now we're gonna have a nice connection spot, and it should cover real good now. Let that get nice and tacky. That's enough. You don't have to saturate it. Just give it enough to stick. Looks a lot better. I'm actually impressed. All I have to do now is get the door panels installed and do the headliner. And then I'll be close to being complete with the interior. Well, not finished, but a lot better. So, leave in the comments what you think too. I mean, I think my idea is working a little bit. I mean, maybe wrong, maybe right. There's a spot my uncle pulled the tape too soon. Got a little aggressive and whatever, so I got to shoot that spot again. And there's a few other imperfections. Because I was going to take the strips off. He said, well, just paint on the strips. I was like, see, that's when you always have the problems. So wasn't cured enough, whatever. And then I think we got scratches right there. Other than that, it came out pretty cool. I kind of like it. So just got to paint the other door red because I ran out of paint because somebody not happy with the paint. And the glue, so got to do a few little minor touches, and then I think I'll be rolling around pretty decent with a nice 50-footer. So, and that's the goal. And it's not even to be like a show car, nothing like that. I hope you know that. It's just a good, cool 50-footer daily driver. So, yeah.